your reliable witness on the road. Tuliyet Front and Rear Dash Cam. The Tuliyet Front and Rear Dash Cam is your ultimate driving companion, offering a range of features that prioritize your safety and convenience. With the ability to record video at up to Ultra HD 2K plus FHD 1080p resolutions, this dual dash cam ensures you capture crucial details like road signs and vehicle number plates, leaving no room for blind spots. Key features: wide-angle recording, with a front wide angle of 120 degrees and rear wide angle of 90 degrees, this dash cam minimizes blind spots and assists you in unexpected situations, such as collisions, by preserving valuable evidence. Smartphone connectivity: easily connect the dash cam to your smartphone via Wi-Fi and utilize the V app. This app allows you to view, playback, and manage your dash cam from your iOS or Android device. You can also download and edit videos directly within the app. Share your travel experiences and highlights on social media with just a click. Built-in GPS: the dash cam comes with built-in GPS, enabling you to record and view real-time live speed and compass data on the LCD. It also imprints precise driving routes, locations, and speed details directly onto your video, providing valuable additional evidence. Free 64GB microSD card: this dash cam includes a complimentary 64GB microSD card, which automatically initiates and stops recording with the car's ignition. The loop recording feature ensures that older, non-essential footage is overwritten, and the G-sensor automatically locks and preserves videos in the event of a collision, protecting them from being overwritten. In conclusion, the Tuliyet Front and Rear Dash Cam is your trusty companion for the road, offering exceptional features like wide-angle recording, smartphone connectivity, built-in GPS, and a complimentary 64GB microSD card. If you've already embraced this device, you know it's your go-to solution for road safety and evidence collection. Your driving experience just got a whole lot smarter and safer.